Olivia here. Welcome to another video. And for today, let's do a career reading for you. Ano ang energy ng iyong career, opportunities, and blessings na paparating, and guidance. Let's check. Let's check. But before we proceed, I would like to say thank you sa mga bagong followers, subscribers ng ating social media account. Sobrang appreciated kayo. And don't forget to follow our social media accounts. Nasa description ng video na ito. And for those naman na active sa TikTok, I'm more visible doon. Meron akong free readings. Meron akong ibang rates. If you are interested to book a reading with me, bisitahin niyo po ako sa aking TikTok accounts. Let's see what is career current energy. For some of you here, really, medyo nahihilig kayo or mas nagkakaroon sa mga ganitong videos, reading videos, nagiging compass nyo to sa pagpaplano, sa pag-execute. For some of you, and happy kahit na sabihin natin under challenges pa din, pero mas nakakaramdam or maaari kang makaramdam ng positive energies. Your card, you get the Wheel of Fortune. Wait lang, baliktad yung cards. Sorry. Okay, let's shuffle that one again for you. Baliktad pala. We got Knight of Wands. Nagbabasa ako ng reversals, guys. Card. Baliktad sila lahat. Knight of Wands. Current energy ng career ni Leo. Current energy ng career ni Leo. Empress. The Fool. Okay. Wands. The High Priestess. Okay. For some of you, ang energy ng career mo, Leo, medyo nagiging maging impulsive or nagiging impulsive ka ng, sa iyong career or finances, decision making mo sa iyong finances. Maaari itong mag-apply sa iyong Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising, Saturn placements, and if you have a lot of Leos sa iyong birth chart, pwedeng merong messages for you here. And kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakarelate, ibigay sa iba, hindi. For others of you here, ayun nga, medyo nagkakaroon kayo ng impulsive decision when it comes to your career. And meron kang gustong subukan or may gusto mong mag-take risk, pero meron nakakaramdam ka dito ng struggle when it comes to pag-decide kung tama bang iwan mo na ang current career mo at magbago na ng path. Medyo undecided ka dito, pero you're still optimistic pa rin when it comes to your decision making. It's important to listen to yourself, to your guts, lalo na timbangin mo kung tama bang mag-resign ako, magpalit ako ng career. Am I prepared? Am I ready? Ayun, kasi sa dami ng challenges natin sa buhay ngayon. It's important to be practical na rin. But of course, if you are more pulled doon sa career path ng change, ng change of location, kung saan mas priority mo ang mental health mo, listen to that, okay? Pero ayun, hindi ka naman kahit na ikaw ay fire sign, although hindi lang siya sa ganung aspeto ang nakikita. Leo kasi is ruled by the sun. So automatically you Leo as somebody na ruled by the sun, you bring brightness and warmth to the people around you, but not noticing na you're draining your own energy as well. So yun nga, meron ako nakikitang changes dito sa career mo, pero undecided ka pa. Let's see what's the blessings and opportunities for you, Leo. Okay, blessings and opportunities para sa mga Leo babies. We got 3 of Pentacles, 5 of Swords, Justice card, 10 of Swords, Queen of Cups, and the Strength. This is the Leo card. Okay. Isa sa mga opportunities and blessings na nakikita ko sa'yo, Leo, collaboration, partnership, pwedeng may mag-alok ng tulong, mag-alok ng opportunity. Alam mo yung referrals, may mga ganun ako nakikita. And pwedeng may lumapit sa'yo, alam mo yung mag-offer na, gusto mo ba sumabay sa ganito, mag-a-apply ako sa ganito, gusto mo ba mag-submit ng ganitong application, ganyan. Meron ako nakikitang ganun. And for some of you here, you might feel demotivated, parang hindi ka motivated to accept some offers, which is okay lang din kasi it's better to listen to your body than to pressure yourself, kasi the more mo na ipina-pressure yung sarili mo, the more ka makaka-attract ng unwanted energies, unwanted opportunities, and mas magiging hindi productive ang performance mo sa iyong career. For others of you, Leo, it's important to be mindful and clear sa kung ano man yung gusto mong marating mo sa iyong career. Kung kunwari, gusto mo talaga mag-work from home, you have to be clear sa sarili mo, not only to the people around you, kung ano talaga ang gusto mo sa iyong career, and you have to follow that path. There's a lot of opportunities here when it comes to communication related na career, na job. Pero for some of you here, speaking, listening, writing, teaching, yun. For others of you, drawn kayo sa ganong path, pero hindi kayo sigurado if it's time or sa kung ano man yung kinalalagyan mo ngayon, kung ano man yung estado ng buhay mo ngayon. And there's a lot of na pwede mong lapitan, and be mindful lang din sa mga easy money, sa mga fast moving opportunities, kasi pwedeng magkaroon ka dito ng maling desisyon, betrayal here, and may mga I heard the word fraud. Wag naman sana, so be careful on that, especially when it comes to sharing your informations na may kinalaman sa finances mo, kahit na malapit sa iyo ang taong yan. Ingat ka when it comes to that. I-balance ang utak at ang emosyon. And for your advice naman, Leo, advice for Leo. Eight of Swords, Ace of Cups, Six of Swords, Nine of Swords, and lastly, binilang ngayon, King of Cups in reverse. Okay. Advice for Leo, you have to be more open and communicate well. Or maybe for some of you na nagtatrabaho sa communication, teaching related na work, you have to be more efficient and clear when it comes to this kind of job. Maigi ring mahalin mo kung ano yung nasa sayo ngayon. And make sure that you are well prepared when it comes to career changes, especially if you are planning to go to another country, to another city, para sa isang opportunity. Sa simula kasi city or country, sa simula kasi parang makakaramdam ka ng anxiety or undecided ka when it comes to this. Pero emotionally fulfilled kasi meron ako nakikita that you want to be practical, like what I've said kanina, okay lang maging practical, but at some point we have to prioritize ourselves kasi paano naman natin ma-cherish or papalaguin yung isang opportunity or mga opportunities na binigay sa atin ng universe, ng God, ng higher being, kung tayo mismo ay pagod, burnt out, alam mo yung hindi na makapag-isip ng tama kasi iniisip natin is pera. And I understand that, especially pero you have to really reassure mo yung sarili mo kung ang pinili mong career ay magiging masaya ka ba in a long run. And this is for you.